guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to Idaho truck invasion. We got Myer as co-pilot. Surprisingly, he has not slept yet, which is actually extremely unusual for that man.
I don't know, dude, I'm slacking.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong.
But we are about halfway through Utah currently. We got both trucks loaded up last night. Got the girls all loaded up for Idaho tomorrow. Got everything checked, everything packed. Parked it in the shop parking lot so nothing got messed with or stolen. And we are ready to go. And it worked out a lot better getting everything loaded last night. You know, you get to shower, go to bed, wake up, and just hop in the truck. We had to throw a couple of small things, and that's it. We're ready to go. And we'll see how it looks when we get there. I forgot the nitrous, so luckily we called up Tyler over at Industrial Injection, and he had a bottle that he wanted to sell and got it filled for us. So here we go. So we're leaving Industrial Injection. We have secured our unlimited win. Tyler, I asked him to sign it. Look at that, Tyler Kip. Hope it splits your block with love. What a nice guy. Let's hit the road. All right, here we're coming into Idaho. I don't know what interstate we're on, but we're on one of them. Got about 3 hours and 15 minutes left. It was a nice stop at Industrial Injection. It's always good to see Tyler, and got to talk to Sean a little bit, and always a good time. We got the nitrous, and we just found out that there are in fact trophies and cash prizes. So Myer and I are super pumped for tomorrow and hope it goes well. And let's see what it'll bring. I'll update you guys when we get there. We are here. It's like 11:30. We stopped, got some groceries, got some food. Myer just defaced the barricades. We're gonna go get this thing parked so we can get unloaded. First people in line, just talked to the dyno guys. They moved up the start time to 11. And Myer and I got in, obviously, last night. You're looking good, by the way, Myer.
Thank you.
What's your predictions today?
Predictions on like horsepower numbers?
Small
or?
compounds, what are you gonna do?
Predictions, small compounds, I want to do like 11, 25, 1150.
Okay, small single?
Small single, whatever you did plus 3 horsepower.
Okay,
and
so
then,
907.
And then stock Dodge, same as I've done last time, like 670, 680.
All right. And then for us, we're gonna try and do 1500 fuel only, 1650 on spray, and 1200 plus on large single, and I'd be happy. We got the Crayola LBZ. This is one of the guys that was gonna go to UCC and had some issues. Triple turbo, if I had to guess, looks like 276s, probably another S400 T4 charger. So it's a setup that I ran not too long ago. It's pretty fun. Looks really cool.
Yeah, it does. It actually looks like on Instagram. It looks like
on Instagram,
all sorts of colors and
yeah,
just like a freaking thrown in. It actually looks really good.
Yeah, this flows nicely. Very nice. Got some of the show and shine here. Pretty cool. Definitely an event with more of the show truck than the go truck, but hey, different strokes for different folks. Pretty cool. They have a lot of these older Chevys. This one's on air ride. Pretty cool. And then all the diesel stuff is back here.
It's funny, I've been here.
This truck's pretty cool. And then all 3 of these guys fold in. The other's pretty cool. This guy's a dually. This guy's on an any level lift. We got our dyno sheets filled out. Myer and I are enrolled. Cody, the operator, just got the dyno calibrated, pulling off the truck right now, and we will go up for our big compounds run.
do? 1467. 1467.
Got Myer going up for small compounds. Got them all strapped down. They're gonna roll them, and then he'll do his pull. Let's go! There you go. 11:21. His first pull on the big compounds, we did 1462 or 67. Little down on power, but Cody's truck was down on power and Myers is, so I think the heat's just getting to the trucks, but all in all, shouldn't be too bad. We got the Crayola LBZ or LB7? LB7, sorry, I'm new to Duramaxes. Triple turbo, 2.478, 480. It's a beautiful truck. He did a great job on it. Should make a really good number. Okay, as far as I know, this is the only guy that can probably unseat us. But you know what? We freaking helped him strap it down. Got him on the roller nice and fat. A little tire pressure change. Dude, this thing's gonna freaking sound incredible. Since Jacob did beat us, we're gonna go back up and try again on fuel only and then do the unlimited class. Hopefully we got enough. If not, that was a hell of a run regardless, and he should be super pumped. But now that we got some competition, I definitely want to try and compete, so let's get it. $14.86. What did he have to beat? I think he might have come down to decimals. Hey. You got it. What's the number? 1527. 1527. I don't know, dude. That thing he took like a champion. Josh, unlimited one. Myers up for stop dog. I sucked it down to 2,500 RPM.
That last run seemed like
Dodge. Myer just did 724. We got large compounds. So far we're in the lead. Unlimited, so far we're in the lead. Myer killed it, and here he goes. This is Meyer's small single. What'd they do? What? 911. Not bad. Alright, and this is Maury. He's got a pretty awesome Duramax build. This is a single FI 80 with a 93 turbine. Dude, he's got to be pumped. Second row is nitrous. Cody said he might try to unseat us, so I went ahead and threw the compounds back and I put a healthy jet in each of the solenoids. So if he does, I'm sure he'll give us the opportunity to try again. Myer finished his small single. He finished his small compounds and stock Dodge. Victorious in all three.
So far.
Yeah.
We'll see. Setting records in 2 of them, so.
Yeah, stock Dodge and
Small compound.
small compounds.
Unfortunately, I did not beat myself at small single.
Oh, bummer. And then that was a Bradley Charger, a stock Dodge Charger, and then his compounds. And then so far we are in first in the big twin still. Large single, we did like 1140-ish, which is first place. And then unlimited 1562, which is still holding. Again, Cody may try to do that. So we're just gonna kind of relax and cool off. It is 104 here today. So we're gonna get some shade and some water and try to enjoy it. Cody's truck, got him strapped down. See what it does. $15.56. All right, so Cody was down by 6 horsepower, and he probably just put the moon tune in this thing. So, oh well. Oh well.
I'm assuming that's good. What is it? What?
1760.
What? Dude! Easy there. Yeah.
That low beat lesson helps a lot. Helps a lot. Alright, got it. Another 136. Down to help him strap?
I'm down. Let's...
Really? Let's go.
Are you? Oh wait, are you actually doing this again?
Yeah.
Frick yeah. Today I'm unstrapped.
Ian Park, break. That's a new
Okay,
record.
okay. Explain what's going on right now.
So, Cody, I went first, really early, heat soaked, made a number. Cody beat it. Cody was kind enough to let me go again. I threw a more saucy tune into it at 1760. Cody did 1685, so he's gonna go rejet it, and we'll let him run and see. I mean, honestly, this.
He's got another like almost 100 horse to make up, or 80 horse.
But he's got more.
He's got more fuel.
Dyno wars. I guess. Look at that graph though with the low blend. That's a number though.
That is. That's
Cody
insane.
beats me.
All right, so Cody is going to go again. I don't know if I'll go again after that. That was about all she wrote. I don't think she's got much left.
Cold.
That sounded freaking awesome. I think you got it. 1684. Dang. Myer, you were victorious in all three classes. Give us the numbers.
I don't remember. First up with small compound, it was like 11,
21.
21. Then we pulled the big charger off, ran stock dodge at 724.
Yep.
And then swapped that out for a 67 Bradley, and it did 911. And you gave me a scare saying I need to beat 944. Turns out no, that wasn't.
That wasn't me. Cody gave us.
Me.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
Anyway, so then we had to actually beat 821, so we were good.
Yeah. So then I did all my classes. I decided to do large single. I think I won large single. I'm pretty sure I won the big compounds. And then I thought I had unlimited. Cody stepped up his game, allowed me to step.
1561.
He did.
You did.
Yeah, he did.
1561. He did.
1556 first, and then turned on
No,
the.
first he beat you by like 6 horse. No, first you were still ahead by 6 horsepower.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So he's turned up his nitrous
So
setup.
1685.
1685.
So then we grabbed the 07, turned up our nitrous setup. We did 1670, which is the newest, best high score we've ever gotten on the 07. And then Cody, we let him go back up, and I think he ran out of juice. And just to let the record reflect, Cody, I offered you my bottle, and you declined.
I know.
So,
it's all
but
right.
always a good time with these guys.
We'll go weekend on the edge.
Yeah. All right, all loaded up, ready to hit the road.
We are back. It's 5 a.m. on Sunday. Unloading these rippers, dude.
Made it home. What a crazy day. Got unloaded and everything, but huge thank you to Myer for coming with me, driving. Thank you to the Northwest Dyno Circuit, Elmer and Cody. Cody just letting us duke it out, man. It was so much fun. Like I was telling Myer, like that's what I really like about competing. I feel like even though we don't have drag strips and sled pull tracks and dirt drag tracks readily available like some of the other places in the country, we do have the dyno, and it was fun to compete with somebody who also was willing to leave it all on the line. Him and I talked. I think we're gonna try to do it again in Denver, Colorado, in August. But I think that'll be the next event we hit, is that August 8th in Bandimere. We might even try drag racing, not sure. But yeah, what a weekend. Good times with good people. And it was fun. A little hot, but not terrible. We brought shade and we planned accordingly. We had lots of water, so it was a good time. Final numbers, I'll put them up. But Myer won all 3 of his classes. I won all 3 of mine. There was only one trophy, unfortunately, which was most horsepower. Oh well, is what it is. But in our hearts, Myer and I know that we did really well. As always, huge thanks to the sponsors. Obviously, the place we work, Power Driven, Dynamite Diesel. We have Pureflow Air Dog, James. Thank you to him. We have Manton push rods. We have one of the PDD heads on here, fluid damper, Waggler, which I think we just topped the highest horsepower on a set of Street Fighters again, 1760 horsepower. Guys, that was tune 5. A lot of nitrous, or as much nitrous as a single dash 6 would give us. So I think when we go meet Cody, we'll turn it up a little bit more. Probably have to add 2 bottles so that way we can keep up the flow. But all in all, nothing broke. Don't even have to change the oil. We haven't put enough miles on it. The tow truck hit 10,000 miles. We'll do a little update on that, as well as a modification we just put in coming up here shortly. And yeah, everything was good. We'll get ready for the next one. Hopefully you guys like this video. Drop a comment down below, subscribe if you're not already, and as always guys, I will catch you on the next one.